Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing of the Sandisk 128gb SD card. It's just going to be a really quick video of me opening this SD card. There's not really much involved in it. The packaging is rather simple. On the front, all we have is a little bit of information about the SD card, how much memory is on it, and the max speed, which is up to 80 megabytes a second. Opening this guy up is really simple. All we need to do is get our scissors at it and cut a direct line across the top of the SD card. There is some little marks at the back that you can see to tell you exactly where to cut it. Once it's cut open, all you want to do is grab the two flaps on the side, put a little bit of pressure on it, and you want to pull out a small plastic tab that contains the SD card inside of it. To get the SD card out of this little plastic cover, all we need to do is flip the SD card around and there's a small piece of film covering the SD card. All we need to do is cut this. I just used the scissors once again to cut it open, rip the film off, and then you can get the SD card out of the inside of it. It's just a standard SD card. There's no micro SD in the inside of it or anything like that, but it does match up to the size expectations of it, as this is a Sandisk. It is reliable. I think this SD card cost me just around €30 for a 128GB one. This is actually a pretty good price. I'll leave links to this in the description down below if you're interested in getting one yourself. Anyway guys, that's been today's video of this quick little SD card unboxing. Not much going on with this, it's rather simple, but I just said I'd make it anyway. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.